Parliament in name only. We are not allowed to speak openly. The Speaker does not allow bills or legislation sponsored by the opposition parties to come through. We are stopped at every place. Our questions are not allowed. And even today, this conference was tried to be stopped by the administration, by the intelligence agencies and others. The conference venue had to be changed 3 times. And it is with great effort that we got this conference hall to conduct our conference. And our objective is that Pakistan should be ruled as per the Constitution of Pakistan and as per the rule of law. Because the courts in Pakistan are also not free. 6 judges of the Islamabad High Court wrote to the Chief Justice of Pakistan and the Judicial Commission of Pakistan that there is unwarranted interference of intelligence agencies in their workings. The judges at the lower judiciary as well are forced to give verdicts against Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf workers and other activists. Our Prime Minister Imran Khan, he is incarcerated. His wife is incarcerated. Shah Mahmood Qureshi, Dr. Yasmin Rashid, Umar Shima, Mia Mahmood Rashid, Senator Ejaz Chaudhary, all of them are incarcerated and all of them are political prisoners. Yes. And they should all be released forthwith as per the rule of law in Pakistan. So this is because democracy, rule of law and the prosperity of the country are all interlinked.
Okay, so what are the main outcomes you are expecting?
We are building an alliance of opposition parties because the current government, political parties who are in government, they are all compromised. They have not won the election. They have come through rigging, what we call Form 47, which is an electoral sort of a sheet issued by the Election Commission of Pakistan, and that has been manipulated. Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf had won 180 seats and they were reduced to 92 seats. So it's all a manipulation process, which we entirely reject.
Can we say that all opposition parties are in this conference?
We are getting them together and inshallah they will be together.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.